Hey everybody, Sean coming at you from Outpost V, baby, for another blessedly beautiful day on this planet Earth, circle around in this universe. Just coming at you with the next step, next phase in the planter box build. Planter boxes, 2 of them. And here, it goes back to that, do it, get it done, and the process, trust the process and try new things. Focus your technique on getting better and creating a quality product. If you mess up, failure is a part of the process. Don't be afraid. You learn more, and it stimulates that growth, that desire to make a difference and a change in yourself and improve yourself. So that's about all I got. Hope y'all have a good one. Peace.